Hi, my name is Maxwell, and today I'll be going over how to add a Google Maps Basemap to your map or to allow you to see Google Maps overlay or satellite imagery on your own ArcGIS Pro project. Now, while the imagery layer or basemap does allow you to see a decent amount of satellite view of the Earth, sometimes it's helpful to have either a different month's perspective on an area or just switch over to the Google Maps imagery layer instead. While that isn't included in ArcGIS Pro natively, there's a very, very easy solution that I'll be going over right now to let you see that in your own project pretty quickly. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is go up to the top to View and then open your catalog pane. I already have it opened on this right side, but it'll open it if you don't have it. Next thing you're going to want to do is go over to Portal and click this cloud right here. It's the one without anything on it, and if you overlay it, it'll say ArcGIS Online. Click this, and this will allow you to search through every single thing that anyone has uploaded to the public ArcGIS database, or ArcGIS Online. Once you're here, you're going to go to your keyboard and type in Google Maps and click Enter. This will look through all the content that is Google Maps in the name, and this is just the easiest, quickest way for me to get a different Google Maps view on whatever project I'm working on. You're going to look through the search results, and you're going to look for something that says Google Earth Satellite, Google Satellite Hybrid Basemap, Google Satellite Web Map, something of that sort, and you're going to want to add and open one of those documents. You can see generally the year that it's going to be from in the area if you overlay it. This one will obviously be a Google map from 2024. This one will be 2023. But you're going to want to look for one that is whatever time frame you're wanting. If you want something a little bit older, look for an older one. Newer, look for newer. But whenever you find one that you're going to want to add, right-click and click Add and Open. Now, if you notice, what we're actually opening is a new map. It's a web map. So this will open a completely new tab on the top here with this Google Maps view already on it. Now, we don't really care about it being in its own map. We want it on the map that we're working on. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over to the Contents pane on the left side of this new project that we just, or this new map that we just opened, and find the one that actually has the base map, the Google Map base map. You can usually check by clicking them on and off, but this Google Aerial is the one that actually controls this base map. So we're going to right click and copy it. Once it's copied, we're going to go back to our project, right click Map, and click Paste. You can also Control V it in there. But once we do that, the Google Aerial is on top of everything right here. As we can see, we have the Google Maps satellite view on our project now, which is very helpful. Sometimes if you're trying to get a different look at a path or something like that, some of the Google Maps satellite views can give you a little bit more perspective. Now, right now in the Contents pane, it's on top of everything. So we're going to want to drag it right above our world imagery layer. This is the layer with the imagery that we were just looking at, but by putting it one above or below, it allows us to just click it on and off. This also puts it below our other layers, so we can see the walking trail now, as before it was being covered by the Google Maps. One important thing to know about these Google Maps, though, sometimes they can be subtly off by just a few, like not even inches from the original imagery map. So if we click it on, if we notice, it shifts a little bit. It's a different perspective. It might be a slightly different angle, or it just might be putting things a couple inches to a different area. But it's just something important to remember when you're actually looking and putting these base maps into your project. Anyways, that's how I put Google imagery maps onto my ArcGIS Pro project pretty quickly and inside of ArcGIS Pro. There is an actual way to download the Google imagery base maps and imagery directly from Google and Google Earth, but we can go over that in a different video that'll look in the description once it's created. Anyways, if you run into any problems in this process or have questions, I'm happy to help. Just reach out in the comments or through the email below. Anyways, good luck on your ArcGIS Pro projects and have a great day.